And one more. No, I'm just joking, Simon. Okay, Simon, can you do your hand like this? And like this. And then, yeah. Let me see your hand. You. Okay, Simon, one more. Do like this. And like this. And then grab it like this. And then put it here.
What?
Ooh. Ooh. Sit down, sit down. Sit down, sit down. Lucas, sit down. Okay, one more. Again, what's your name? Simon, one more. There's more. Grab it like this. Simon, one more. Shake it and put it here. Ooh. Two. Ooh. There's more. One more. Grab it like this. Shake it and so everybody can see. Make it slowly like this. Right? No more. One more. Here. No more. Only two. Come here. Simon, let me see your hand. I think there's more. Wait. Ah, it's here. Ooh. Wait. There's one more here. Ooh. Lucas, sit down. And then look. 1, 2, 3. How many now? 4. Wait. There's one more here. Sorry. Ooh. Wait. Simon. Wait. I think I found one more. Simon, let's take it out. Do like this. Let's take it out. We go. 1, 2. Here you go. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many now? 6. Simon, look at them. You say, ah. Louder, say, ah. There. Simon, one more. Can you do like this? One more. Up. Okay, you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many now? 8. Okay, Simon, can you hold it for me? Okay, now Simon, let's take it out. All the coins inside your body. Yo. Okay, here we go. Wait. I think there's more. Nothing. Okay, found it, Simon. It's here. Okay, sit down. Okay, wait. Sit down. Okay, here we go. Let's put down here. And then, there's one more. Simon, what's it? No. Okay, everybody clap it for Simon. Okay, now sit down, Simon. Okay,